All right, so this is it. It's a Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. Wow, look at it. This is the box that it comes in. Let's take a look at it. It gives you all of the infos on it. Now we got to open it up and check it out and see what we think. So, wow, it's huge. Here's the front. Look at her. She looks like she's having fun. And that's the thing right there. And that's the info on it. And that's the name of the company. All right. So anyway, this is where pop it open here. Yeah. There it is. All right, here we go. Oh. Wow, looks cool. So far, so good. Some information here. Not quite sure what it is. And there is this thing in here. So I do believe this is probably this is everything that comes in the box. Basically, you get this thing here, and you get the chair and that. So there's only really 3 items in the whole box. You follows me? So now we just got to plug it in. And oh look, so there's 2 cords here. So this cord you plug in here, you plug that into the wall, and this plugs into the chair itself. And then we can try it out. All right.